He became the Chief Minister of Jharkhand for the fourth time.
मैं हेमंत सोरेन
His earlier 3 terms ended prematurely.
ये लोग नहीं चाहते हम गरीब लोग सरकार चलाएं।
Hemant Soren was born on 10th August 1975 during the emergency. His father, Shibu Soren, founded the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha in 1972 to lead the movement for creating a separate state of Jharkhand from Bihar.
लेकिन अलग राज्य जो हमें मिला 2000 ईस्वी में वो हमारे पिताजी की देन रही है।
Growing up with 2 brothers and a sister, Hemant witnessed his father's political activism, whether it was agitating on the streets or contesting elections. However, Hemant never really thought about getting into politics at first. His political journey began in 2005 when he contested from the Dumka constituency in the Jharkhand Legislative Assembly elections on the advice of his father. Because of his father's popularity, Dumka was considered as a safe seat. But Hemant's debut was marred by a defeat at the hands of veteran leader Stephen Marandi, who ran as an independent candidate after being denied a ticket by the JMM. This loss was a blow to Hemant, leaving him disheartened. Meanwhile, in February 2006, Hemant got married to Kalpana, who was 10 years younger than him. 3 years later, in May 2009, Hemant's elder brother Durga Soren died due to a suspected kidney failure. At the time, Hemant was pursuing a BTech degree at Birla Institute of Technology, Ranchi.
झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा जिस जगह पर पहुंचा है उनमें आदरणीय दुर्गा सोरेन जी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है।
A month later, he took oath as a Rajya Sabha member and was appointed working president of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. He was a Rajya Sabha MP from 24 June 2009 to 10th January 2010. Hemant contested the 2009 Jharkhand Assembly elections from Dumka again, but this time winning and securing his first electoral victory. Meanwhile, his father Shibu Soren became the Chief Minister of Jharkhand in December 2009 but was forced to resign within 5 months due to political instability in the state, leading to President's rule in Jharkhand. In the following years, a coalition government of the JMM and BJP was formed, with Hemant serving as Deputy Chief Minister in the cabinet of Arjun Munda. However, this government too collapsed in January 2013, and once again, President's rule was imposed. Hemant's political fortunes took a significant turn on 13 July 2013 when he became Chief Minister for the first time with the support of the Congress and the RJD. However, his tenure was short-lived, lasting only 1.5 years, and was tainted by allegations of misgovernance. His party faced defeat in the 2014 Assembly elections. Hemant contested from 2 seats, Dumka and Barhet. He lost the Dumka seat to BJP's Louis Marandi. Despite this setback, Hemant remained focused on strengthening his party while in the opposition. A key moment came in 2016 when the BJP government, led by Chief Minister Raghubar Das, introduced a bill allowing the use of tribal land for government projects. Hemant led a strong opposition to the bill, ultimately forcing the BJP to withdraw it. This victory solidified his position as the true successor of his father, Shibu Soren, and elevated him to the center of Jharkhand politics. In the 2019 Jharkhand Assembly elections, Hemant's party performed exceptionally well, and he formed a coalition government with the Congress and RJD. On 29 December 2019, he was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand for the second time. However, his second term was overshadowed by serious allegations. The Enforcement Directorate issued multiple summonses to him in connection with an alleged land scam. The ED accused Hemant of misusing his position to illegally acquire land, including selling army land through forged documents. Despite 10 summons sent by the ED under Section 50 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Hemant didn't appear for questioning. On 31st January 2024, amid the growing legal pressure, Hemant resigned as Chief Minister and was arrested by the ED after being interrogated in Ranchi.
और उन लोगों ने अपने योजना के अनुसार मुझे अरेस्ट करने का निर्णय सुनाया.
Following his resignation, JMM leader Champai Soren assumed the position of Chief Minister. After spending nearly 150 days in jail, Hemant was granted bail in June 2024. Following Hemant's arrest, a sympathy wave for JMM was created. Hemant then used his jail term, pride in tribal culture, and women's welfare schemes to lead the party to a historic victory in the 2024 Jharkhand Assembly elections. Out of 81 assembly seats, the JMM led India Bloc won 56 seats, while the National Democratic Alliance secured 24 seats. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha emerged as the single largest party in Jharkhand that secured 34 assembly seats. He took oath as the 14th Chief Minister of Jharkhand on 28 November 2024.
मैं हेमंत सोरेन मैं झारखंड राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्धि अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।